guys, it is Wednesday and we don't have school today. School was canceled last night because we're expecting a big snowstorm or whatever, and they didn't want us like driving in like snowy weather, icy roads, and bad conditions and stuff. So we got the day off today, and it's now currently 9:30 and it just started snowing. Actual snow, which is like rare for South Carolina, but it's actually snowing. Right now I am watching We Went on a Special Secret Date by Aspen and Parker, so I'm just going through YouTube and watching some Aspen and Parker videos, catching up because I haven't been really keeping up, and I love keeping up with their videos because their videos are so good. So this is just what I've been doing for now. This is our snowstorm. It's really cool. I can't believe it's actually like snowing. This is like the first time I've seen snow in this state. At least like this kind of snow. Usually it doesn't really snow. But this is our little snowstorm, and it's actually really cool that it's snowing. I wanted to show you guys this really cute pillow that I got from Dollar General, so it wasn't very expensive, but it's super duper cute. This is the pillow. It's like really long and big and fluffy, and it feels so good, and it's just super duper cute. And it really wasn't expensive. I think I paid $8 at Dollar General for this, and it kind of matches my room theme. So I really think this pillow was really cute, and I'm really happy that I bought it. And I also bought some decorations for the office, which I will show you guys later on in this vlog. So yeah. Hey guys, so right now I just finished filming a few videos for you guys. So that way I can like schedule them before the school week starts again and it gets all hectic and whatever, and work and school and the barn. So I figured I would just like film everything now, edit them throughout the week, and then just schedule them as I finish editing them. So right now I am just importing some video clips onto my laptop. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the videos when they come up. I will be uploading one tonight along with this vlog, so it's gonna be 2 uploads in one day. But I just want to start uploading Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so that's why I want to start uploading today, despite me uploading this video already. Or what I might end up doing is uploading this video today, then one of my videos Friday, and maybe that's what I'll do. That way I don't have to have 2 uploads in one day. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. So this video is actually gonna go up tonight. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing right now. I'll show you guys. And also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is still snowing outside, which is like a really rare thing to happen around here. So I'm really excited that it is snowing still. Hopefully we miss another day of school tomorrow. Let's hope. Fingers crossed, because that would be really nice. So this is just me uploading my video clips for today. So this is me just uploading my video clips for the day. I'm just kind of like uploading them. They're loading all here. I only have 2 more to go. Those are probably my long ones because I have an 11-minute one and a 13-minute one. So that's what that is. So it's just gonna take a few minutes to actually like download onto my desktop. But yeah, these are the video clips. And I hope you guys end up enjoying these videos because it was a lot of fun to film. So yeah, and so I'm gonna just talk to you as soon as I start editing these videos. Hey guys, so as you can see, today has been a very lazy day, mainly because it's been snowing outside, so the streets are pretty dangerous to drive on, so I haven't been able to leave the house all day. So I've just mainly been like relaxing in bed, walking around the house, watching TV, stuff like that. I've been doing some things for school and all that, so yeah, it's been a pretty lazy day. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm not gonna really be doing anything else tonight. Plus, later on, I'm going to film a night routine. So I figured I'd just end the vlog right now, upload this so you guys can watch that, and then start doing the other videos that I recorded today, and hopefully you guys will like those. So yeah. So I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.